Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmund Mindaros. And for today's quick tutorial, I'm going to show you guys on how to resolve Windows Update with the error code 0x80070645 on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. So this error 0x80070645 is a Windows Update error that some may encounter unexpectedly and related to .NET Framework components updates. And it may also be caused by more broader issues such as those related to corrupted system files, problems with Windows Update components, conflict with third-party software, and incorrectly installed previous updates. And then you can follow these suggestions to fix this error. And without further ado, and let's go ahead. So the first solutions we will do is to enable that .NET Framework components. So all you have to do is to open up on a search menu and then here at search for apps and then type control panel and then click open. So once you open up this control panel and on top right corner and then you need to click this arrow beside this category and then you need to select these large icons to see all settings. And then next step you need to select this programs and features. So click. And once you open up this programs and features and on left side menu and then you need to select this turn Windows features on or off. So click and pop ups this Windows features on or off. And the next step, all you have to do is to select this .NET Framework 3.5 and then .NET Framework 4.8. So we need to enable this. So all you have to do is to check this box and then expand this plus signs. And then you need to select also this toolbox Windows Communications Foundation. So select and after that, and then you need to select also this .NET Framework 4.8 Advanced Service. And then you need to expand this plus signs and then select this ESP.NET 4.8 and then WCF services. So enable also. So after you check all this box and then you need to click this OK and wait to complete the searching for required files. Okay, so this required files complete. So you need to follow whatever the scan results and whatever you see here in the screen. So you need to follow. So Windows need files from Windows Update to finish installing some features. So select this Let Windows Update, download the files for you. Alright, so once you do this in Windows features and then close, and the other solutions we will do is to run the Windows troubleshooters. So all you have to do is to open up on the search menu and then here at search for apps and then you need to type this troubleshoot settings and then click open. Under here at options and then you need to select this other troubleshooters. And then next step you need to select this Windows Update and on right side and then you can see here the run. So you need to click this one and wait to complete the detecting problems, initializing, and diagnostic process. And troubleshooting has completed. Alright, so whatever the result for this scan in this Windows Update troubleshootings, then you need to follow. So we can see here that there's one problem found for Windows Update issues, this one detected. And then if this help or this fix your problem, then click this yes. If not, click this no. And then you can see also or the view detailed informations about these issues. Right, so after you completing this Windows Update troubleshootings and the other solutions we will do is to repair corrupted files. So all you had to do is to open up again on a search menu and then type in here a CMD or this is the command prompt and then you need to right click and tap this run as administrator if you receive user account control and then click yes. And once you open up this administrator command prompt, and then next step, then you need to enter this command keyword sfc space slash scan now. So slash scan now, that is one word, and press enter. And beginning system scan, this process will take some time. Beginning verification space of system scan. So here we need to wait to complete the verifications into 100%. So why we're doing this command keyword sfc scan now? Just because this is the command used in Windows to run the system file checker, or this is the sfc tool, which scans all the protected system files on your computer and replaces any corrupted or incorrect versions with the correct Microsoft versions. So that's why we will do this SFC scan on our system. And finally, verifications 100% complete here at CMD. And then we need to close this administrator command prompt, and then here, and then we need to restart our PC. All right, so click only. Okay, so that's it guys on how to fix Windows Update with the error code 0x80070645 in Windows 10 or Windows 11. And please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys, and see you in my next tutorial.